Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy TWS during Holi sale. So in this video I will talk mostly about Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro. I have been using this TWS for a couple of days, and today in this video I will express my honest review about this TWS. The size of this TWS is little bit smaller, so it will fit very well if you have smaller ears. As you can see side by side, Realme Buds Air 7 has a bigger form factor and this Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro has a smaller form factor. So I think this will be very good for smaller ears. Plus, as you can see here, I have bought the gray color and it has a matte texture on the upper side. Coming to the connectivity option, you can connect your TWS to two devices at the same time. And pairing is also very fast, I would say. And as you can see here, the box or the case is very smaller, so it will give you a very good portability. It comes with Type-C charging port, and with one hand you can open the lid and also close the lid, so this is very convenient to use it with one hand. Now if I talk about the sound quality of this TWS, actually the sound quality is excellent, I would say, as it comes with only 1400 rupees, so you cannot expect too much of sound quality, and ANC is missing in this TWS, which is normal considering the price point. But I can say that the sound quality is top notch. There is no added bass, only the vocals are very clear and mids are also very clear. In indoor condition, while calling on the phone, you can hear the voice of the other person very clearly, and there will be no noise in the background as you are using it in the indoor condition. Even in outdoor condition you will have no problem whatsoever, but in high noisy condition you cannot use these earbuds properly, because you will not be able to hear the voice of the other person properly in noisy condition. Otherwise you can use this TWS in casual calling. As it doesn't have active noise cancellation, you cannot complain about the noise in the background. The battery backup of this TWS is very good. It can give you up to 54 hours of playback according to Oppo, but I think you will get over 40 hours of playback, and 12.4 mm extra large driver will give you a very good balanced sound. These TWS have IP55 dust and water resistant, so it can withstand casual dust or water splashes. So I think if you have a budget of 1.4K, in that case Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro will offer you very good sound quality, will give you very good battery backup, and also you will enjoy these TWS for longer hours. During Holi sale you may get very good offer on this TWS, and you can expect a price drop on this TWS. So this is the review of Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro. Hope this video has become informative to you. Now ask me if you have any questions regarding this TWS. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.